Hi guys, welcome back. Today is a special day for the sailboat. We have done all the doors, all the openings, engine covers, etc. and we will mount them. But before we do that, we have to pump out all the water. And when that's done, we will seal all the windows and put the sailboat on the side for quite some time until we finish the Dalla Pieta. When that boat is done, we will continue our work on the sailboat. Why is this the process which we are going for? It's easy, we can't do two projects at the same time, and it costs a lot of money to fix one, not just two. In this way, we are preventing further water damage and at some point nesting of wild animals. In this case, we left one opening for ventilation so that we don't have any moisture holding back in the sailboat, therefore making more damage than there is already. If you like what you see, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. It would mean a lot to us. Thank you. Unfortunately, as you all know, good footage usually gets lost, which happened here also. So we lost the footage for the taping end of the back door.
So guys, everything on the sailboat is done. It was going to be done. At this point, we locked it. Every single opening is closed. It will be closed for quite some time. And with this boat, once that's done, and once you do it, opening here is that one, only because of ventilation. Everything else is stamped and stopped away. Windows flat. Not expecting a big storm coming up. Therefore, it could be closed. So thank you for watching, and